Okay, so now I have cleaned the plate and then 3 of these metal pieces that were rusted, or the gasket, and then I put the center spring and then line up with the 2 poles here, and so this would have to go through the center hole, so I might as well straighten them out higher like this. Like this, just so that it's easier for me to land the thing down. No. Alright, and then these 2 will go through these 2 holes on the pot. So here we go. Landing. Unfortunately, the ground doesn't clear, so I would have to zip tie it. Or just use a rubber band. Makes the landing more pleasant. So, like SpaceX, I'm gonna dock it. Okay. Here's the rocket bottom. Yep. Now goes in here, and then these tabs, these annoying tabs. Go through, please. And then the legs. 3 legs, well, 2 goes in. So the tab goes through that, and that sits. So now I can remove this slightly, shift it to the side, and screw that one in first before I put before I secure the circuit board tray. I forgot the torque, but it was pretty tight. So once that is there, not ever so tight, but tight enough. So then the plate, the heating plate won't fall off. And then my centerpiece is lined up with those 2 posts. So there's the springy switch, the springy switch button is in alignment, so maybe just one more as well. So now I can lift off get the roll of tape out and the toilet roll out. Now it's sitting on my table, more firmly landed. So now I can tighten up. There's a higher torque. So it's good to have a pretty good grip on a Phillips screwdriver compared to these skinny ones. So now next is without disconnecting everything earlier, I can land the tray onto the support frame, use the plastic part and snap it onto it, and then get those two screws. Yes, these two with a washer and secure. No. That doesn't go there. That's the 3 legs. So it's actually these. Oh wait, hold on. So that goes here. And then there's another blue one that goes here. Yep. So the blue one. Shoot, it turned. Oh well, too bad. And then another one. So remember, the smaller Phillips screws with the washer are for the 3 electric connections. And so the yellow is the ground. It goes here. So now I can untie this part. And then let's go back to the board. This is going to ground. There's another ground here. Where that ground goes. Forgot about this. So it's always good to have a picture taken before this happens. Let's see, so... Oh, damn, it's already taken this out. Crap. Oh, so this goes here. What's that? Was it like that to begin with? I would have to rewind my video. Oh, okay, so that's doesn't need to be turning like that. This actually goes here. All right. Yeah, maybe it doesn't matter how this orientation of the thermostat, as long as it's going to contact these 2 points. And then I believe the reason why they have these 2 rubber kind of a thing, just you don't want to go in between them or touch them at the same time, because you would short the circuit. So these are okay going above it. And then I got the ground connected, and these 2 goes in here like these, like this. Now I don't remember what's in here. So in my photo I didn't have anything connected there. Nope. I don't like how this turned. So be aware when you unscrewing and screwing these 2 screws. Maybe use a plier, hold on to it before you tighten it all the way so it stays in the same orientation. So that's the ground, or negative, and then ground, it's grounded on this, safety, or neutral, or grounded, it is grounded. Live goes in here, thermostat, controls, thermostat negative still here. That's the lid sensor, I believe, and then the on-off switch. So thermostat controls off or on, giving power to here, turn on the heating element. So maybe this is not needed. Yeah. And so with 1, 2, and 3, is from the support screws. This to stay in place, so slide this part back in to the ring, and we're good to go back to reassembly. So checking everything is here, secured, and I'm going to check if this is actually nothing here to begin with. So pause for now. Okay, I just rewind back and check that this part here is blanked, so there was nothing there to begin with. So maybe they used it for, you know, previous design that you can ground it here, but as long as that is grounded, like secure, that's good. So we're good to put the bottom back. First, slide this back into the ring. And since I have this screw here left from so confirmed, again, this is blank, nothing hooked up to this ground, because the other ground, well, darn it, the camera's got overheated, so it won't play very well or record very well. So anyway, sliding this back onto that. And then last but not least is this plate. Again, checking thermostat. Seems okay. And then these cables are fairly flat. That is secured, ground is secured. Torque screw. P15. So now flip it over. Check the side. And I think that concludes the reassembly. Alright. I hope this is useful and works for you. And I'll see you next time.